Hi, my name is Leslie. I am a servant of God and much more. Well, a 7.0 earthquake just went off in Northern California, and a 5.8 earthquake went off 50 miles north of the Bay Area by the volcano there. And wow, ain't that something? I'd be looking for more earthquakes happening across the United States. So be prepared, be warned, have your emergency supplies no matter where you are. And there's also a tsunami warning off the northern coast of California. The sirens are going off and all that good stuff. And it's on the tsunami page that there is a tsunami warning. So we'll see what the damage is as the hours go by. Well, peace and grace be with you. God be with you always. I encourage you to receive Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior, or just receive Jesus Christ as your Savior. Ask Him into your heart. Read the words of Jesus in the New Testament. I love His philosophy, how He thinks, and how we should live life. It's a wonderful way of living, also known as the Christ consciousness. But Jesus Christ, our Savior. Anyway, I encourage you to receive Him. All right, well, God be with you. Peace and grace be with you.